At least I know my scope's working all right.
Do it again.
I've shot someone. I'm happy.
So long to get there, isn't it? Just see you going.
He actually took the hit. Do it again. The same guy.
Right in the head. Do it again. Right in the face. Oh man. They're pushing us back.
Yeah, I know.
Shit, I've shot the man. I've shot the man. Look.
Oh, fuck you, safety.
If you get killed like that, Kane, I'm buying you dinner. Too close to my head. Fucking hell, Kane.
You alright? Where's the baby?
Oh, they're not doing it now.
That was really close to his head. Predator drone inbound.
Peter.
Not on the left hand side.
If you just charge him.
Since like 4 o'clock yesterday.
There's a fucking two!
Did you actually have that?
Put it on video, bitch. Yeah. Yeah. That £5 to get shot within like 2 minutes.
I'll lose £5.
What are you doing?
Stuart's gonna get shot.
He's gonna get shot. No, not.
We're going to hide behind Stuart.
2 minutes and counting.
Yeah.
Yeah, got a bet going on. 2 minutes and they'll get shot.
Having a cup of tea.
What are you doing up here? Thought you were on red, didn't you?
Yeah, we had to change because teams are a bit uneven. Now I'm regretting it because I got Darren as well as Chris.
That's that about 2 or 3 times down there.
Scary. Keep getting it.
He's
Can't
been
walk
looking down
out.
the scope at me from the other end, and I keep getting him.
It's
I think he
horrible.
got me in the end. Someone did anyway.
Oh, come on, you got 30 seconds, please get hit. I might just have to shoot myself. Yeah, I'm gonna have to shoot myself. Hit!
It was Kane.
No!
It's always Kane, it's never me.
This is like fucking half the size of me. Yep, hit.
You have to get everything bumpy round the tree.
Yeah, wait for the sheep to step out.
Tell me you love me. Oh!
Fuck off.
You are good. Oh, fuck.
Probably a good idea.
Ah, you bastard. Share the smoke! Yes! You can't even see it.
That is the worst smoke I've ever seen. Wait till I pop up and let me know the gays later, man.
Fucking yes, mate!